Are you ready for the next crypto bull run? Signs are emerging across the market, from whale activity and on-chain metrics to new technological developments, suggesting that the next surge could arrive sooner than most investors expect. Today, we're breaking down why this next crypto boom might happen in 2026, what factors are driving it, and how you can position yourself to maximize your profits. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss crucial updates that could impact your portfolio. By the end of this video, you'll understand the catalysts for the next bull run, the market indicators to watch, and the strategies you can use to prepare for what's coming. The crypto landscape is evolving fast, and timing your entry could make all the difference between missing out or gaining massive returns. 1. Historical bull run patterns. Cryptocurrency markets have consistently followed cycles of rapid growth followed by periods of consolidation, often referred to as boom and bust cycles. Bitcoin and Ethereum have demonstrated recurring trends where prices surge dramatically after months of sideways movement or consolidation. The 2017 bull run was largely driven by retail excitement and the ICO craze, pushing prices to unprecedented highs, only for the market to experience a sharp correction afterward, wiping out early gains for many investors. In contrast, the 2020 to 2021 cycle was powered by institutional adoption, the growth of decentralized finance, and global macroeconomic factors like inflation fears and government stimulus. 2. Current market indicators. Several indicators suggest that the next bull run is approaching sooner than many expect. Whale accumulation has been steadily increasing, particularly in Bitcoin and Ethereum, with massive inflows into cold storage wallets signaling strategic long-term holding. On-chain activity is rising, showing higher transaction volumes, more active wallets, and consistent network engagement across multiple blockchains. Layer 2 solutions are being adopted at unprecedented rates, reducing transaction fees and network congestion, which not only improves user experience but also attracts new participants to the crypto ecosystem. Macroeconomic trends, including rising institutional interest and cryptocurrency being increasingly viewed as a hedge against inflation, further indicate that demand is quietly building under the surface. Monitoring these trends allows investors to anticipate upward market pressure before it becomes obvious to the wider public, giving early movers a strategic advantage. 3. Whales and institutional movements. Crypto whales, large investors, institutional players, and high net worth individuals often act as market catalysts. Their accumulation and strategic transactions can significantly influence price movements due to the volume of assets they control. Monitoring whale wallets with on-chain analytics platforms reveals critical patterns, such as when assets are moved from exchanges to cold storage, signaling long-term holding, or when funds are transferred to exchanges, potentially indicating future selling pressure. Institutional investors are increasingly involved in staking, DeFi platforms, and emerging altcoins, signaling confidence in the long-term growth of the market. 4. DeFi and Layer 2 adoption. Decentralized finance platforms and Layer 2 scaling solutions are playing a crucial role in setting the stage for the next bull run. Layer 2 protocols on Ethereum and other networks allow for faster and cheaper transactions, attracting new users while improving the overall usability of the blockchain ecosystem. DeFi platforms are experiencing higher lending volumes, staking participation, and NFT activity, which generate liquidity and encourage further adoption. As more users engage with these decentralized platforms, the networks themselves gain strength, creating real economic activity rather than speculative hype. 5. AI and blockchain integration. Artificial intelligence is beginning to influence crypto markets in a major way. AI-powered trading bots, predictive analytics, and smart contract optimization allow traders and developers to process massive amounts of data almost instantly, making faster and more informed decisions than ever before. AI integration enhances liquidity, risk management, and market efficiency, giving early adopters a strategic edge. For example, AI-driven predictive models can detect subtle trends, optimize investment strategies, and forecast market movements with a level of precision impossible for human analysis alone. As AI becomes increasingly embedded in trading platforms and DeFi applications, it could act as a major catalyst for adoption and growth, accelerating the onset of the next bull run. 6. New projects and altcoin momentum. While Bitcoin and Ethereum remain dominant, altcoins are gaining attention due to innovation, strong communities, and real-world utility. Emerging projects in DeFi, AI, gaming, and Web3 ecosystems are attracting user adoption and liquidity, often driving significant growth during market upswings. Historically, altcoin rallies have coincided with Bitcoin surges, amplifying the overall market growth. By tracking development progress, community engagement, and strategic partnerships, investors can identify high-potential altcoins before they hit mainstream attention, positioning themselves to capture early gains. 7. Regulatory clarity and adoption. Global regulatory clarity is increasingly providing investors with confidence to participate in cryptocurrency markets. Governments defining crypto-friendly policies, tax rules, and digital asset regulations reduce uncertainty, encouraging institutional participation and larger investments. Clear regulations help legitimize the market, increase liquidity, and support long-term adoption. As regulatory frameworks mature, they provide an environment where both retail and institutional investors feel secure entering the space, which can act as a strong tailwind for the next market rally. 8. Psychological and social factors. Human psychology plays a pivotal role in crypto bull runs. Fear of missing out, or FOMO, often drives retail investor behavior when early price movements occur. Social media platforms, news coverage, and influencer commentary amplify these psychological effects, encouraging more participants to enter the market. Investors who recognize these patterns early can act strategically rather than reacting late to hype, gaining an advantage over those who buy in purely on emotion. 9. Key metrics to watch. Investors preparing for the next bull run should closely monitor whale accumulation, exchange inflows and outflows, active wallet growth, DeFi lending and staking volumes, Layer 2 adoption rates, and overall market sentiment. These metrics provide a comprehensive picture of where capital is moving, how adoption is progressing, and which projects or coins are likely to experience upward pressure. Proactively tracking these indicators allows investors to position themselves strategically, avoid sudden market shocks, and maximize potential returns. 10. Future outlook. Considering whale accumulation, altcoin innovation, DeFi growth, AI integration, and regulatory clarity, the next crypto bull run could arrive sooner than many expect, potentially within the coming months. Strategic accumulation by whales, growing adoption across multiple networks, and technological advancements create an environment ripe for a market surge. Investors who study trends, anticipate whale behavior, and track key metrics will have a significant advantage, enabling them to capture opportunities before the wider market reacts. Now you understand why the next crypto bull run could happen sooner than most investors think and what factors will drive it. From whale movements and altcoin momentum to DeFi adoption, AI integration, and regulatory clarity, staying informed gives you a critical edge in the market. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Comment below. Which coin do you believe will lead the next bull run, and how are you preparing for it? Stay informed, stay strategic, and position yourself ahead of the market before it explodes.